Developing the next generation of talent remains a top priority for eggcareers.com. The goal of eggcareers.com and FoodGrad's Classroom Implementation Guide is to educate the next generation of agriculture and food talent coming down the pipeline. This essential resource is for teachers, educators, advisors, and leaders that help students prepare for their futures, all while discovering careers in agriculture and food. The free classroom kit includes resources, activity sheets, and lesson plans that all help lead students to career success while using the eggcareers.com Agriculture and Food Career Guide. So now I'm going to show you how to download your free classroom implementation guide. To start, you're simply going to go to eggcareers.com. Once you're on eggcareers.com, under the Employers tab in the section Products, select the Egg and Food Career Guide. Once you have made your way to that page and you're on the screen, click the red Egg Educators Free Classroom Kit. From here, you will be given the option to select the Canadian or US version. We're going to select the Canadian Classroom Implementation Guide. Once you click that, you will have to fill out a quick form, so we're going to quickly do that. After we fill out the form, we'll be given the option to download the Classroom Implementation Guide. So we're just going to click Download, and then it will show up in our Downloading tab. Now once that's downloaded, you're going to open up your downloads. As you can see, the lesson plans are in PDF or Word format in your downloads. The Egg Careers Classroom Implementation Guide document outlines how to use the classroom kit and includes all lesson plans and the answer key at the very end of the document. Each of the 17 lessons are also available individually in both PDF and Word format if you'd rather them be separate. Some key points to highlight about the implementation guide. You will see that there are many different activities, including analysis of career-related article, researching agriculture and food employers, diving into career pathways, and the FoodGrad's podcast search, and much more. The Agriculture and Food Career Guide serves as a valuable resource for students and young professionals all throughout North America exploring a career within the industry. Now, while this resource was primarily designed for grades 9 to 12, it's inclusive and beneficial for many different grades. The implementation guide can also be used as a tool for guidance counselors, clubs, and even organizations. There's a place for everyone in agriculture and food. Help your students find their place today.